So this is a new website that I have been working on, which is titled Flexors. You can click here and see a little bit about, how we move, just our bodies in general. But before I, really introduce you to everything, that we have here. A year ago today, I was actually hired by Jeff Bezos. The man himself actually hired me. December 6, 2023 was the start date. It's ironic, when I created this video, essentially, it was like December 6, 2024. So, that's something that was pretty cool. But over the course of the last few months, something has been really on my list of curiosity. What is it that I'm made up of? What is it that I am as a person? And, going really deep into this has brought about a lot of stuff that I've been trying to research, mainly from my own cells to the cells in the body. But, I want to start a business. I want to start a team. I don't want to just be one man doing all the work. It's about putting the right people into a system that is well suited to engage your audience. It's meant to bring unity from a collective versus just one person. So here's an introduction to the website and What's up, guys? So this is a brief introduction to our new website that we are going to be displaying, Flexors. Flexors starts off as a normal website that you can scroll through, much like any of the other websites that are available on the internet. You can click around a little bit and see some stuff about us and see how we move. It's basically just essential for our ways of wanting to operate. So here you can see that we have privacy policy, terms and conditions, facts, return and refund policies. This is our, way of operating. There's some links to our socials that we are promoting as well. You can click on products and see our catalog that is going to be available for display. Some notable mentions: arm blasters, the inversion table, steering wheel, spinal adjustments. Our story is where you can go and read about the creators of the website. And here right now, Mr. Flexor himself. I'm taking a chance to show my face right now. Currently 22 years old. I have no job. So right now I am working on building a SaaS for a design that I want to display. This SaaS is just going to involve a creation of a generator from, what it is that I enjoy taking part in. SaaS is just going to be a generator that will give you a response when the prompt is, and click on VirtualBox to open up my software that I run on my computer. So here we have our IG, but if you go to our website, you can actually get your copy of a 3-page PDF file that is available for you to educate yourself. As you can see here, you can click the link in the description to the website and download your file. So before this video ends, I just want to share a slight speech that I think could be motivating. Wherever you are in your life, you should look and say, this is an expiration. Every moment around me has just expired. So if I know that moment, something expires, is gone, it doesn't come back, how can I do something today that will enable me to have the life that I want? If everything is going to expire, every minute, every second, every hour, every month, every week, they all expire. So since life is expiring around you, when I'm 35, I want to travel and see the world. When I'm 28, I want to travel and see the world. I don't want to travel and see the world just when I'm. So do that change today. It'll be inspirational, motivational,